Love the 2020 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 1,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.